afternoon to you, where we say you listen to us at this time. This na afternoon sharp sharp tori from CHRICED Radio and TV. My name na Princess Anyana, and this na the tories them where they hot at this hour. Make we start the story by to tell you, say, like 70 people then where they do vigilante work. Now they all key throw away after bad guys we carry heavy gun, just hide for bush, fall on them for Bunyun community of Kanam local government area of Plateau State. Would they say this thing happened like 2 o'clock for afternoon yesterday will be Monday. The chairman of the vigilante group for inside Kukawa, Aliyu Bafa, said this kili happened just 1 kilometer away from the main Kukawa town when bad guys just hide, attack these vigilantes as they go for the hiding place of the bad guys inside the government reserve forest, where they call Madam Forest. Moving on, Ireti Kingibe, where be the senator, where they represent Federal Capital Territory, don't talk saying yes, some wicked the way they behave, now they cause vexation inside the mind of Abuja people. She yarned for national TV on Monday, and she said Wike no really know what the people need. When they ask her, say all this one we say Wike they talk recent, say she not go return back to Senator for 2027. Kingibe say she not desperate to run for the election. She said the area council election will suppose happen early next year. Now go actually show whether we can get level or not. Daniel Bwala, will be the person they give sense talk to Presido Tinubu, don't come out now say this new coalition, the African Democratic Congress, go fall yakata in 6 months sake of say they no get strong ideas. Bwala say that's Baba Ahmed will be the running mate of Peter Obi for 2023 presidential election. Been done already see the Wahala where they come for front. Bwala can begin to compare this ADC to the APC of 2013, where been stand Jim for the back of Buhari as their main candidate very early. He can't talk say for this opposition to feel beat Tinubu for 2027, then they go need to do something bold and where nobody don't ever see before. And for the one with no sweet belly, like 3 children and don't die through away, 6 others wunjure. 6 others get infected after something they suspect saying a diphtheria just burst for inside Zaria for Kaduna State. Executive Secretary of Kaduna State Primary Healthcare Board, Dr. Bello Jamo, now he said this disease now just they show itself for the state inside the last 10 months, that is since October of 2024. He said Kaduna State Ministry of Body Matter now they lead to fight the disease with support from other important partners and people then will get mountain levels for inside this disease matter. And the management of Omololu Oluloyo Polytechnic, that na the school where they call the Polytechnic Ibadan, where they can't change the name recent, don't want the students of the school now say that we no go agree what they plan to do today will be Tuesday, made them no try. Inside the paper will come up for the hand of the acting registrar and secretary to the council of the institution, Joseph Ogunjimi, for inside Ibadan, where be the state capital yesterday will be Monday. The school they tell parents and guardians and say make them call their children or people where they under them to order. Inside the paper, where they call Poly Management, caution student union on planned protest, say that they advise parents to call them to order and say they go close the gates where they go lead enter inside the school. And before we go close mouth for the story for this time, inside, outside of country, the number of people who don't die from that plenty water palava with terrible where people throw away for Texas don't become more than 100. As people now they continue to they find whether anyone still there where plenty water palava don't sweep through away. Inside the ones where they don't confirm dead, we get like 27 girls and counselors who have been they stay for one youth summer camp for the river when the thing go happen over the 4th of July holiday weekend. People then when they talk about weather don't want say plenty more water palava go happen as heavy rain continue to fall for the ground. Them they make the situation of looking for more survivors today more worse as helicopter, boat, dog, even about 1,750 people they continue the search for survivors. And now here now we'll take draw curtain on top sharp tori for this time. If you want to be more, join us again inside the 4 o'clock hour. But until then, continue to enjoy us on top all of our social media platforms at CHRICED Radio TV. My name na Princess Anyana. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon.